How does a track vehicle go from paper to hospital? First, every raw material is checked. Only past parts get stored. Then comes precision assembly, where every detail matters. Next, 72 hours of continuous endurance testing. 5,000 loaded cycles, climbing, turning, starting, and stopping, to validate performance in real hospital conditions. Every test step is recorded for full tracking. Then final inspection cleaned up, protected, packed, ready for delivery. From engineering to manufacturing, reliability is built into every vehicle.